Yes, mama, yes. Okay, let me stop. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
Hey Lachey babes, it's my Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you scroll down and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not new, then welcome back. Make sure you guys check out my social media. It will be on the screen right here, because if you don't have me on my social media, then what are you doing with your life? You're doing nothing, obviously. I am going to basically be like customizing this wig to the way I like, and installing it and styling it and just showing you guys that whole process. First off, I'm so upset today because I wanted to do my makeup. Like, I just woke up and I was like, ooh, I want to do my makeup today. Like, you know, I want to look popping. So I go and I get all my makeup products out, and I'm like, okay, I have no setting spray. I cannot do my makeup without no setting spray, especially it's 90 degrees outside, so not I was like, okay, I'm just gonna throw on some eyelashes, you know, so my eyes can be popping, you know, in the sunshine. I'm trying to look decent today or whatever. Put on the eyelashes. Girl, I'm so happy I looked at them eyelashes in the mirror before I freaking came and recorded this video, because I was looking a hot mess. So I didn't pull the eyelashes off, so now I'm just looking plain Jane all over again. Anyways, back to the wig. So this hair is from ElvaHair. I will have all the details inside the description box down below. So this is a curly wig. I think it's called super curly wig. I got it in 14 inches. And you guys, this is how the frontal came. It looks pretty natural, honestly. I accidentally over bleached the freaking front, but it's okay, it's fine. Where's my scissors? What I'm going to do is cut off this excess lace now. I wanted to leave it on because I wanted to show you guys what the frontal looked like when it came and everything like that. I did bleach the knots on this frontal. I don't think I'm going to have to tweeze it at all, because it honestly looks pretty good. Y'all, these freaking people are cutting grass outside. So if y'all can hear that, I'm so sorry. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I got up and decided I wanted to be cute today, and then I wanted to record a video, and you know, stuff's just not working out for me, you know? Do y'all ever have them days? There you go. It also has some lace on the back that I'm gonna cut off as well. I never used this like and put my hair up in a ponytail. Maybe I should try one day, because it doesn't look bad. Like, it looks natural just like the front, but I don't know, I'd just be scared that people is gonna know that, you know, it's not really my hair if I lift it up. The one thing that I don't like about this wig is that it has that comb that I tell you guys that I don't like right underneath the frontal. Other than that, everything else is good. The curl pattern was really popping when it came. Ooh, this hair is big. It was really popping when it came, and the frontal looks nice. Okay. I need to cut this down a little bit more. Oh, that's stuck in my head. Put the clip in. Put my thing back on. Okay, so I bleached the knots on this wig, but for some reason they just look, the lace just looks white or something. I don't know. Is it just me, or do y'all see that? Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'll just have to lay it down first. I have no clue. I hate trying to put the drawstring on after I already put it on my head. But your girl got it. I got it. I'm taking my Got to Be Glued. What is in my hair? Taking my Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle. And y'all already know how I do this. I put a layer right in front of my hairline. All around the perimeter. Not all around, because I don't do the back of my head, but you know, all around the front. But I don't put like a super thick layer, because I don't do like layers upon layers, just because I don't want it to make my lace white. I realized when I was doing like 2 and 3 layers, like letting it dry and then putting another layer on, it was just too much, and you can see the glue through my lace. So okay, so I wait until it's pretty tacky, and it is. So now I'm just going to pull up the frontal and lay it down slowly. Pay attention, baby. Okay, yeah. See, I just had to lay the frontal down. I was worrying for no reason. The wig is fine. Wow, this frontal really came slayed. Like, I didn't do anything to it. Like, as far as plucking, I bleached the knots, but that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do now is pull out where I'm going to make some baby hairs at. It already came with like pre-baby hairs, but these are pretty long. So I'm going to pull that out to tie my hair down now. Right here, so that it kind of, my grandma just sneezed, so that it makes that distinct separation between the baby hairs and the hairline. And I'll leave this for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. The good thing about tying your hair down is that it kind of gives the glue time to settle with the frontal, meet with the frontal, and stick and stay, okay? So I'm gonna leave this for about 5 minutes. I think I already said that. Okie dokie, let's see what this lace is looking like. Hopefully it's laid. It's about 5 minutes later, probably more than that, honestly. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes. Now this lace, they plucked it pretty good. I can't believe they've. Thank y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I don't even. This is not even a pre-plucked wig. I guess this is just how they make them. Now I'm going to do me some baby hairs. Make sure you take out pretty thin sections, because you don't want your baby hairs to look unnatural, like when it's those real thick dark things on your freaking forehead. It's not cute, baby. It's not cute at all. I'm sorry. Whew, I'm breathing hard, y'all. I'm sorry. 1, I'm pregnant. 2, I just walked all the way from downstairs to upstairs, so I got an excuse. I feel like I'm finna be in love with this wig. I'm not even gonna joke with y'all, because the way that this frontal is laying and the way that these baby hairs look like they finna look, I think I'm finna be in love. When I say in love, I mean like that old time, you know, Justin Bieber, I'm in love, you know, that mindless behavior, mom, I love him, can I get tickets to his concert? That's what I mean why I'm finna be in love. So I just got some water on my toothbrush. I'm kind of play with them right now. Where did this long piece of hair come from? Like, it wasn't right there. I swear it wasn't. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Got To Be glue gel. Same bottle. And just put a little bit. A little bit. Because you don't want these looking like they just stuck to your head and they can't move. They can't breathe. Like SpongeBob. Water! Water! Do y'all remember that episode? That was hilarious. It just takes time, like, and you do your baby hairs how you want to do your baby hairs. Everybody does stuff differently. We don't all be having to look the same. I'm not gonna do my baby hairs how you do yours, and they're definitely not gonna look the same every day. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie my hair down again, probably for about just a minute, because this Got To Be glue stuff, it has your hair stay, like your hair stays for days. Okay. About 30 seconds later, my impatient self. It worked though. Guess what? It worked though. It worked though. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna wet this baby up. Get these curls popping again. Y'all, I don't use a lot of product on my stuff. Most of the time I just use water. And then sometimes I'll throw in some of my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. But other than that, I mainly just use water on my hair. And the curls stay looking pretty good. And this is a 14-inch super curly bob. And as you guys can see, it is super curly. Oh, this is my new favorite hair. I just gotta say it. I gotta say it. I love it. And it's so good. Like, just the fact that the freaking frontal came like this, I recommend that we all slay, you know? So I would definitely have this inside the description box down below. I love this hair. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be smiling at myself all day. All day. Literally, all day. Just drenching it. Drench. Drench. Yes, mama, yes. Okay. Let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. I'm about to lay my old long manly sideburns. You guys know that my sideburns are horrible. No frontal can ever cover them. So just gonna lay them down so that they kind of blend in with everything. Just in case my hair blows or something. See? Looks way better. Okay, basically that was me applying and installing and styling this wig, like laying the baby hairs, frontal looking slate. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are smart enough to freaking check out this hair because it's freaking bomb. I love it. Y'all about to be seeing so many Instagram posts, so make sure, you know, y'all go check out my social media. I'm about to be on Snapchat like in 2 seconds. I love this hair. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later. Everything will be inside the description box down below. Do not know if I'm gonna have a coupon code, but if I do, it will be inside the description box down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.